Hello my friends, welcome to a new class, welcome to a new session, and right now, or in this occasion, we will focus on the following: writing an opinion essay. Remember that your exam contains different sections, and one of those 4 sections is the writing section. Now, in this part of the exam, you will have 2 different tasks. You will have 80 minutes to finish, and because we have 2 different exercises, my recommendation is do not spend more than 40 minutes for this task. Now, I had to divide this whole session, because it's kind of long, into smaller sessions. Now, what will we do during these days? Number 1, we will review the format of an essay. We will revise useful vocabulary. We will also check some techniques for planning your own essay. We will evaluate 2 examples so you can analyze them. And finally, the practice. Here, this is the final step, which will be writing your own essay. So, as I told you before, we have to divide it. And the first things we're going to do is review useful language. And finally, we will prepare to write with this so you can get there in the practice. Now, what are some important things that you have to know about the writing section? Well, number 1 is that you will be given the title of the essay, right? You will not decide this, you have already the name. Now, you will also be given 2 ideas to write about. You will need to add 1 more idea of your own. You will need to give an opinion, that's the essay itself. You will need to give an opinion and support it with reasons. That is, you will elaborate on your answer. And finally, something really important that you have to consider is that you will need to write between 140 and 190 words. This is essential because if you write less than these words, you might lose some points. So it is important to keep this in mind. Okay, so stay with me. I will tell you what to do, and thank you for joining this class. Okay guys, so the first thing you have to do is that you will be working on the file that I uploaded for you on Edmodo, and you will go to page number 2. In page number 2, you have a section that says prepare to write, review useful language, which is what I basically told you right here. Okay, so what you need to show during this section, or during this section of the test, is that you can use language appropriately to do things such as agreeing or disagreeing, giving opinions, giving information or explanations, also giving reasons, giving examples, comparing and contrasting ideas and opinions, and also drawing some conclusions. So what you will see in this section, or on this paper that I gave you, is different type of expressions. What you have to do is to classify these expressions into giving your own opinion, structuring and sequencing your ideas, adding ideas, contrasting ideas, examples or statements, and explaining. That is the very first thing you have to do. No more. I will see you tomorrow and I will give you further instructions on what to do with the next pages. For now, only focus on page number 2, and that's it.